can write the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. Anywhere you have studied?
Yes.
1 by 2
Yes,
a
sir.
plus a,
Yes,
a
sir.
plus a minus
Yes,
at.
sir.
10th standard plus 1 na?
Plus 2, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Two,
sir.
sir.
Sir, plus two.
Plus 2 maybe intermediate second state board means maybe second is CBSE means maybe first year you will get, I think so. Any matrix you can write sum of the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Remember or not? Of
Yes, sir.
a
Yes,
plus
sir.
at plus of a minus at. A plus at can minus at cancel means of a it's become a. Correct. These all are SE. The smallest stages are very, very important. Basic things you should not forget it. It's a life actually. Okay, that you forget about. Then you said every matrix actually. Square matrix and everything diagonal. But another thing, square shape, another any shape is there. So only 4 sides are there. Other than square, any name is there.
The triangular matrix is also there.
Very good.
The upper triangular,
I'm
lower
expecting
triangular.
that. From rectangular I will start. Then I will go slowly square matrix. Okay. A matrix said to be rectangular matrix means how can you define?
Sir, for example, 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 is rectangular, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 is square matrix.
Number of rows and number of columns are not
Columns
equal.
not. So what you understand? See, I don't know anything now. You are teacher and student. Then you can.
Sir, a rectangular matrix will be said to be a rectangular matrix if the rows and columns are not equal in number, and the square matrix will be said when number of rows and number of columns will be equal.
Excellent, super sir. Nice, very good boy. See, a matrix said to be rectangular matrix means what? Number of rows not equal to number of columns enough. Square matrix means what?
Number of rows and columns are equal.
Equals to number of columns.
Wait, now come on. Rectangular matrix I can write m by n. M not equal to n, no doubt. Square matrix means how can I write? This is the rectangular shape. Square matrix means what? N by n. So both are same fellows. 2 by 2, 3 by 3 as some one of our friends said 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. Okay. Then rectangular matrix means order I am telling m by n, m not equal to n. 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 4 by something. Now, square matrix order, how can you pronounce actually simply, stylishly? 2
Matrix
by 2
of order M or matrix of order N, something.
Not something correct only. Why are you confusing? Right or wrong, you can speak out, no problem.
M or N, sir?
You can speak out. You don't worry actually. If it is wrong, means nothing will happen. Nobody will, nothing will do. You can talk something. So then only I am very happy.
Matrix of
Yes,
order
what
M.
you said is correct, sir. Tell me.
Matrix of order M or N, by way it is written. M into M, M by M means M, N by N means N.
Very good. Then, nice. What is, then suppose a matrix 2 by 2 means how can you pronounce the order?
Order of 2.
Order of 2. Then stylishly tell me. Another word I need. Correct only.
Square matrix of order.
Hey, square only, yeah.
Second order matrix.
I need this fellow. Stylish, I need. Second order. 3 by 3 means what?
Third order matrix.
4 by 4 means what?
Fourth order.
Fourth order. So, if you announce with your mouth, fourth order means what is understanding? 4 by 4. I don't want to tell 4 by 4 like 4 square like this. Correct? So, these all are you are familiar, no doubt. Then, what is there? Yes. Suppose what is this order of matrix A?
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
3.
2 by 5.
2 by 3.
2 by
How
3.
many rows are there? 2 rows, 3 columns. First row, second column, first column, second column, third column. 2 by 3. Now, tell me, 5, one number 5 is there, you know. 5 where is sitting?
First
A1,
row,
first
first
row,
column.
One by one, sir. One by one.
A 1 by 1 you will tell.
A11.
A11.
Very good. 6.
A1,
A12.
You forget about A actually, just position tell me. 7.
12.
1 2 1 2
1, 2,
13.
7, 7.
13.
First
1 3 1 3
1 3
8,
2 1.
2 1
2
1.
1
9,
2
2
2
2
0,
2 3
2, 3. So, normally they denoted matrix also like this actually. A is equal to Aij, the IN they will denote, actually one element they will put. This already you studied or not? Notation.
Yes, sir,
matrix.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These all are, you are familiar, very good. Now, normally how they read now, if you want to can write. Okay, this is the matrix order. You can do next. If 2 matrices are there, if you want to add, how can you add 2 matrices?
So the particular elements will
A1.
add.
What is the condition first?
Sir, both
Blindly you will.
They should be of same
They should be of same order of
They should be of same
order,
order.
yeah.
Next, same order. If same order means what you will do?
Add in the elements with the
Sir, yes,
corresponding
sir.
elements.
A1 must with
We will add the corresponding elements.
Very
elements
good.
at the same positions.
No, that is okay. Same position is what? Corresponding element. That's the correct word actually. Add the corresponding elements. Suppose. A plus B, what you will get, tell me?
1 plus A,
1 plus A, 2 plus B, 3 plus C, 4 plus D.
4 plus D.
Very good. Very good, very good. You boys are very good. Four plus D. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
CSC students do nicely because last year also CSC L1 like taken first year class. Okay. 1 plus A, 2 plus B, 3 plus C, 4 plus D. Corresponding element means what? This is 1 1. That will also 1 1. This is 1 2. That will also 1 2. Corresponding elements can you add. Now up to clear. You all are familiar. Now how you will multiply if AB exists? How you will do? Suppose.
Sir, we will take a column by
Wait,
column.
wait. Coming. Give me time, wait. I will ask, wait. Please take rest. If AB exists, what is the condition first? Now tell me.
the same order.
Hey, same order
So,
basically.
column of A and rows of
The
B
column
must
of
be
A and rows B
Col-
should be
Oh,
equal.
yes.
First column plus first row, second column.
Hey, I am Manisha. I am not asking how to attack the problem. What is the condition I am asking?
The same order.
column of A is equal to the
Column
row
of
of B.
column row B, yeah.
Column of A is first.
Come on, speak out.
Sir, column
Column
of A
of
should be equal to column of rows of B.
Okay. Very good. 1 minute, please. Now, suppose A order is 2 by 3. B order is 2 by 3. Is there any chances to exist A3?
No,
No,
sir.
Why?
sir.
No,
Why?
No, sir.
Why? Q.
Because of
Column of
Because
A
the column
3
of
and
A
row of
and
B
row of B are not
they are
equal.
not equal.
One thing you can remember, if they ask multiplication is what? Immediately you can say, you can write adjacently, these two fellows are equal means what? It can be possible. Cancel, the new order should be this fellow.
Yes, sir.
New order should
Yes,
be
sir.
this fellow. Correct or not? Now come on, A is equal to 2 by 3, B is equal to 3 by 2. Now is it possible AB?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait. AB possible means what is the order of AB?
2 by
2 by 2.
2 by
2 by 2.
2.
2 by 2.
3.
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
Yeah. Who is
2
by 2. 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
If you go and tell outside 2 by 3, immediately they will ask, what is your math master name? They will scold me. So, AB is equal to what? 2 by 2.
2 by
Is BA exist? BA means what? First B you can write first.
sir.
A you can write.
Sir.
Okay, same fellow. Now BA order is what?
3 by 3.
3 by 3.
3.
From this, what you understand? AB is equal to BA, wa?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it yes or no?
No,
sir.
No, sir. No.
Highly impossible. Correct? It's not equal. So, what you will say in matrix is what? It's not commutative. AB not equal to B. General life, you are in 99% good means what everyone will say is a good boy, good girl like this. But in mathematics, somebody is a speaker, you can off, sir. Mute all of your mics, please. If I ask, you can tell immediately, then mute. Something I forgot. In general life, if you are in 99% good means everyone will tell this boy is good boy, this girl is good boy, this teacher is good, and this woman is good like this. But mathematically, if you fail, zero point zero 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 1% of it fail only. So always matrix multiplication is not complete. Not always. Sometimes maybe it's true. Sometimes because of sometimes it's true. Don't say it's commutative. It's true like this. Correct? Huh? So matrix multiplication is not commutative. So one thing you can remember. Then okay. These all are you know. This time recalling. Sir, AB will exist or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
order of
Sir, it
what
will
is
exist.
what is the order of
2 by 2.
2 by
2
2.
by 2.
2 by 2. 2 by 2.
Matrix of odd second order.
B? Second order. Don't use bombardic language. Second order is enough. Okay. Okay. Now AB can find out what is the AB answer. You can tell me. Find out and tell me AB.
0, 10, 5,
Hey,
10.
0. Ah.
2, 10,
2,
5,
10,
10.
5, 10.
What is first element?
2, sir.
2.
Second fellow?
10.
10.
10, 10, 10.
10, 10.
10.
10, sir.
Acha.
10,
Third fellow here?
5.
5.
5, 5,
5.
Next fellow?
10.
10,
10, 10.
10.
Now, how you are multiplying, sir? Tell me. If AB given means you are telling okay 2, 10, 5, 10. Now I am asking question I don't know. Please explain me how you got 2, how you got 10, how you got 5. How you will
For one position of
Row
AB,
of A.
we should multiply
The
the
first row of
first
A
row of A with the
with
first column
first
of
column of B.
B.
what? Suddenly all are become silent. Come on.
First row of
First
A.
row of A should be multiplied with first column of B.
Hmm. Okay. But how multiplication, if they ask me is what you will do, no? If they ask AB means what? From first matrix, one row you can hold in your hand. You can hold first row. Then how many columns are there you can multiply? First row, first column. First row, second column. Suppose if it is third column also, first row, third column. First row, fifth column. First row, seventh column. First row, 10th column. First row, 100th column. How many
Yes, sir.
columns are there? All you can multiply. If you hold in your hand, first row means what? All you can fill in first row only. Once if you complete with the first row, come on to the next row, second row. Then second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, so on. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always from the first matrix you can take row, from the second matrix you can take column. Not only that, another beauty is there, you see. Suppose somebody is telling, no, your 5 is wrong. So what you done is wrong. Instead of 5, I written 4. Somebody telling, I want to check this element. How you will check, tell me?
Second row of A is and first column of B.
Very good. Because how you will check means what? This position is what, tell me?
2, 1.
2-1.
2-1.
So see, when I am multiplying from my heart, I am telling nicely, but we are not realizing actually. That's why once if you start realizing means what, will enjoy the maths. This position is what? Second row, first column. So second row, first column multiply.
Yes,
Then
sir.
job is over. Suppose if you miss this fellow means what you will do?
So we will
Second row,
just
second column.
Second row with second column.
That's it actually. So I am getting down here itself. So here position is what? 2, 1. So second row, first column, 0 into 0 plus 5 into 1, 5. So I don't want to check all matrix multiplication. So particular element also I can verify. See the beauty is, see, I am telling, by what I am telling, for getting this I am telling second row, first column. Where it's sitting? 2, 1 is in. Second row, second column is where it will sit actually?
2, 2.
Second row, 10th column is where it will sit.
2, 10.
Enough. You are a master. What is there? So that is the way of doing. Then matrix multiplication, inverse, everything you've done that side I don't want to go actually. What is this fellow I?
Identity matrix.
Identity
matrix.
So any term, any name you can do, any matrix you can call Bapuji or Shaman, something you can call, they can be happily allowed. But particular matrix as you like, don't do the name. So he has his own capacity. So I means what? What we will agree.
1. So it's an identity matrix which will value 1 if we take the determinant.
What is the, how can you say the side 2 means what is the meaning?
Sir, in diagonal.
Second order matrix with diagonal element of 1.
Somebody coming. I2 means
Identity matrix of order 2.
Diagonal will be 1, 1.
Diagonal elements 1.
So all are zeros, just the diagonal elements are 1.
That matrix, another name is what? Only if the matrix elements diagonally stands with that matrix.
Scalar matrix.
Scalar.
The unit matrix.
Diagonal matrix.
Come on.
Diagonal matrix. Sir.
Diagonal matrix. The unit matrix.
Symmetric.
Symmetrica. Okay. You are going very far away, sir. I am very weak in maths. Slow sums you can tell me. If you go beyond my knowledge, means I cannot. Somewhere symmetric, where I am very symmetric. Identity matrix means what? Unit matrix, no doubt. I2 means what? 1
Sir,
0 0.
Sir, your
the
camera
video
is
is
on.
off. Sir, the video is again gone.
Wait, somebody phone coming actually. Phone coming actually, don't worry. I3 means how you will write?
It's a third
Third
order
order
matrix.
matrix
Third
with
order
diagonal
matrix with
order.
diagonals 1 1.
0 0.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now forget about this fellow. One matrix I will give, just you can tell the name. What is this matrix?
Diagonal matrix.
Diagonal matrix.
Diagonal matrix.
Scalar matrix.
Sir, I guess the phone is again ringing.
Sir, video was gone.
Your phone coming, what? Wait.
He left again.
Yeah, he's a good teacher too.
Yeah, I like this one.
At least he's teaching us.
At least, yes, ma'am. At least he's teaching us, unlike other teachers.
The teachers.
Bro, it's recording, bro.
Yeah, so
Okay. Sorry, sir. Now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Scalar matrix, sir.
Is it diagonal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, any conclusion can you give seeing both fellows?
Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every
Very
diagonal
good,
matrix
nice.
is not a scalar matrix.
Yes, no need to require actually. So, all diagonal matrices are not scalar matrix, but every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Can I say like this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then, last, our friend. You should not give as you like name actually. This should be always I only. This matrix is what?
Identity matrix.
Or unit matrix. So, unit matrix is a scalar matrix as well as
Diagonal matrix.
Diagonal matrix.
all diagonal matrices cannot be scalar, cannot be unit matrix. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
All scalar matrices are diagonal matrix, cannot be unit matrix. Can I relate it like this?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So don't confuse. All are diagonal only, but different fashion. I think this is the basic things actually. I hope people are very well known up to here. Now we are entering into our subject actually. Next. So now they will do actually, they will ask now, we are entering to the your subject actually. Now your familiar matrices, everything you have done multiplication, solution, using the linear equations also you solved actually. Ax is equal to b means what, x is equal to a inverse b. Everything you have done. Now, after that some level. Actually, matrices is very, very useful for a research level. If you're doing research, means what matrices will be useful for doing the research actually. Actually, what's the purpose of using the mathematics? You can tell me. Why you people tell we are engineer? Why? What purpose of I want to read maths? Maths not required. I am very great engineer. Like this. What is the purpose of studying mathematics? Tell me.
So matrix allow us to arrange the following, arrange the information in a particular.
No, matrix. I am not
systematic
studying.
manner.
Mathematics.
Mathematical logic.
See, whatever may be, whoever may be, you are, even if you do medicine also, once if you do go the research level, then solving the problem there, if you coin the problem, solving the problem, breaking the problem is what? That time guarantee maths will stand with you. Because you people are not touching that place actually. You people will tell we are engineer, we don't want actually. Without maths, cannot survive. At least in this all these 70 people, maybe at least 10 or 20 members, if you go research means what? That time you will maths will use. So many mathematics you will use, study maths 1, maths 2, maths 3, numerical methods, probability, statistics, discrete maths, everything. Maybe that time it will help you. It will stand with you. But you people are not touching that place actually. You people means what? You people, some of people will touch, no doubt. That time it should be help you. So that is the beauty of the mathematics. So without mathematics, there is no engineering. Next. So the first topic is eigenvalues and
So this is the starting of our engineering course, right?
yes, what?
So this is the starting of an engineering course, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Eigenvalues, and this is your topic actually. The first unit is matrices. The matrices will start with eigenvalues and eigenvectors. What is the meaning of eigen means what? Is a characteristic. Actually, eigenvalues means what? They can one vector will be available. A is a one matrix, X is a one vector, is available with another vector. Lambda is a scalar is equal to X. This is span actually. Ax is equal to, I can span lambda time to X. Actually, this where we can use means what? Maybe if you do Google, just you can take page ranking. The page ranking is what the best application for. If you Google page, if you type Bapuji Pillippu means what? Maybe so many pages will open. But first page will open means what? All are searching that page only, the particular page will come first. Just type Bapuji Pillippu, you may get so many pages will open. But first what page coming under my name is what? So many people changing and searching. Particular page means what? That page rank should be high. Whatever may be, if you search means what? The first page will use the amendment, that ranking should be same. So using eigenvectors and eigenvalues, that is. Not only that, maybe in cyber crime, everywhere if you see means what? This eigenvalues only they will use. Suppose if you go and see any photo studio, give the photo. Nowadays, photos are not true. Whatever may be your shape, they can change nicely. They will use the output. How they will use? Just you can with the photographer. Just sit inside. They will have one computer software, maybe in Photoshop something. If you go and see, they are always using they curve actually. They will bend like this. Some curve means what? Your shape maybe changes. Maybe it is very projected means what? Somewhere they will curve, they will bring, just they will shape like this. Particular part only, just it will maybe go inside. Everything they will do in Photoshop. Just go and check. These all are applications of this eigenvalues only. Not only that, suppose if any theft happened, thief has went off. In papers they were using one person photo, they may give in 15 shapes. How they will use means what? Taking his photo, they may apply his eigenvalues, eigenvectors, particular values. How the space is changing. Suppose if they make up as a woman means how they will appear. Urban if they wear, remove his eyelids means what? Remove his mustaches, remove his hair. So many shapes they will do in paper announcement. These all are people kindly catch like this. These all are will be available in using eigenvalues in eigenvector applications. Lot of things are there in start part. But theory part, this vector and everything not important for you. In a maths, if you just we attack the problem, this suppose if you write means what, you will get ax minus lambda x is equal to 0. This is a minus lambda I x is equal to 0. So for finding the eigenvalues in the eigenvector, they will do one matrix first in your hand. They will do one matrix in your hand. So what they will ask actually, find the eigenvalues, eigenvectors. If they find the if you ask find the eigenvalue, eigenvector means what? First you can find characteristic equation. Shall I know about this? Note down heading. Shall I know about sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The video is gone again.
My phone coming here. Irritation. Where I am standing? Yes. So they will do one matrix. This A minus lambda is called a characteristic equation. A minus lambda I, determinant of is equal to 0 is what? Characteristic equation. Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to what? Characteristic equation. They will do A, just you can find A minus lambda I. Once if you find A minus lambda I means what? You will get the lambda roots. That is called characteristic roots. Already I told you. Okay, outside is distance. Okay. A minus lambda is characteristic equation. They will do A in your hand. What you will do? First you can find A minus lambda I. Find the roots, characteristics roots, that is called eigenvalues. Eigenvectors later we do. Today we do 2-3 problems in eigenvalues. Then we can do the eigenvector. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually I have a doubt, sir. So
Tell me.
why there is an identity vector after we took the x matrix common, sir?
No, x
Why
is a
there is a-
vector. There is a vector exists. Ax is equal to lambda x.
Eigenvector, sir.
Eigenvector. For finding eigenvalues, I am taking only eigen characteristic equation. Later stage I will do. Only first day only. After what second day I will enter the eigenvector. That time the text will use.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Now I am talking only characteristic equation, determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Then from this if I find the eigenvalues, once if I get the eigenvalues, I can go for the eigenvector. That I will discuss later. Up to you can remember characteristic equation is what? A minus lambda I, determinant of A minus lambda I. Correct?
Sir.
Clear? Yes, tell
Sir?
me. Tell
Sir,
me.
so here lambda is eigenvalue.
Yes, eigenvalue, scalar.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Listen. One after one problem you will get clear again. First listen, don't copy down. One problem I will explain. Right, take down. Find the eigenvalues in the eigenvector of. Just now I am doing again and again, telling eigenvalues only. Eigenvector next class we do. Okay, or maybe Suresh sir will continue. But time we can copy down. Just you can leave some space. Find the eigenvalues in the eigenvector of given matrix A is equal to 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 1.
So can you read the last row, third row?
Minus 7, 2, minus 1. 2, 2, 0 first row. Second row is 2, 1, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 1. Correct? Everyone copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how you will procedure means what? Start do, if they given A is equal to this fellow, to find eigenvalues, what you will write? Characteristic equation, CH equation you can write. Is determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Correct? Now, A minus lambda determinant means what? You should not worry about determinant. On diagonal element minus lambda you can add 2 minus lambda 2 0 minus 7 2 I think equation wrong. 2 1 minus 3 sir. Sorry. Morning only done, why is problem mistake? 2 2 0 2 1 1 minus 7 2 minus 3. Yes, then we can attack. Take down. Last is what? Third row, third column is minus 3. 2 2 0 2 1 1 minus 7 2 minus 3. Now characteristic equation, how can you write? A minus lambda determinant, it's not a matrix, it's again and again I'm telling, it's a determinant. Determinant of A minus lambda, just you can write in square line. Just a straight line is equal to 0. Can you expand 2 by 3 matrix determinant? Do you have any idea?
Yes,
sir.
Do, tell me.
2 minus,
This how you will do? 2 minus
2
lambda.
minus lambda into
This fellow into this fellow minus this fellow into this fellow. Minus 2 into, read this row, this column, then this into this minus of this. Tell me. Then 0 and anything is equal to 0. If you expand by first row, as you like, you can expand. There is no rule, you can expand by first row only. If you want, you can expand by first column, second column, third row also. As you like, you can do. It's not a restricted. But our lower stage, what you will do initially, any first row only we study. Correct? As you like, you can do. Nothing will happen. Come on, this answer you can give me. 2 minutes, 2. I'll take 2 minutes, I'll sit here. Actually, I got operated, so I'm not coming to university. Tell me any one of you.
So lambda 7.
What?
7.
What 7? Expand.
So
This,
you're
what
saying
equation
lambda is
you
equal to 7.
get? Not getting. Expand determinant. You will get lambda cube plus lambda square, something into lambda square, something into lambda plus constant is equal to 0.
yes,
You will get.
yes, sir. We are getting a cubic equation.
Yeah. That cubic equation I need. Tell me.
Just a second, sir.
No, take your own time. No problem. Lot of time is there. Up to 350 I am with you. Tell me what is the answer.
Sir, you want the cubic equation, right?
You will get cubic equation, not
So
my
lambda
one.
cube
Sir, lambda
minus
cube
8
minus
lambda plus 2.
14 lambda.
Hey, 14 wrong.
Lambda cube minus 3 lambda
8 lambda
plus
plus
No,
2.
no.
Lambda cube plus lambda square
Wrong.
minus 9 lambda.
Wrong.
The lambda
Sir,
square is
lambda
getting
cube
cancelled.
minus 2 lambda square plus 13 lambda plus 16.
So lambda square is getting cancelled.
Something AS, what is AS or somebody, but lambda square term may be missing there.
Yes,
Check.
lambda square is not. Lambda square is getting cancelled.
Now tell me equation.
So the lambda cube, then minus 3 lambda.
Minus 13 lambda.
Very good.
Minus.
Just a second.
If you
Lambda
take
cube
the-
plus 13 lambda minus 12 equal to 0.
No, I think so wrong. But coefficients are right. Equation is wrong. Wrong.
So lambda cube minus 3 lambda plus 12.
No. 3 lambda wa 13 lambda wa?
13 lambda.
One coefficient, one student only telling. How can I take actually? If you tell everyone correct answer, I can write down. I don't know. What you will tell, I will write here. Now you are teacher, I am student.
Lambda cube minus 13 lambda minus 16 equals to 0.
No. Lambda cube minus 13 lambda, up there, okay, happy.
Sir, plus 12 is equal to 0.
Plus 12.
La. Okay, I will write.
Sir, lambda cube minus 13 lambda plus 32.
Check everyone got it the same thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you don't get down, miss copy down. But after copy down, try to get actually. Don't copy down blindly. Satisfy yourself. Okay, this is the correct answer. Then only you can go further. Okay. Now this equation, how you will solve actually? Lambda cube is what?
Sir, actually, I am not getting 13 lambda. At the place of 13 lambda, I am getting 2 lambda.
Wrong.
Everything is
2 lambda is wrong. Wait, 5 minutes, wait, I will do the same problem. Okay. Somebody might disturbing. Okay. Now, this third order degree, how you will solve? Tell me.
So we will take the first element of the determinant and then multiply it with the we can say that the
Hey, that is quadratic equation. This is cubic equation. What you are telling? Quadratic equation.
So try with 1 first.
So we
Yes,
have
yes.
3 roots.
factor.
So this question.
Somebody told trial with some.
Yes, sir.
With vanishing factor like that.
Kunal Chopra.
Step.
See, what you will do? Put lambda is equal to plus
Trial
1
and
minus
error.
1 plus 2 minus
Yes,
2 plus
trial
3
and-
minus 3. Where it will get 0, you can stop. This is called method of induction. We are injecting one values. Where my value becomes 0, I will stop. Correct? Okay. Forget about this all story now. You are done lot of things explanation. Some delay, something is there. Mic sound coming, sir. Mute your mic. See, the solving is next issue. For getting this is step itself is important. This how I will let you know. If they give A is equal to something, if 3 by 3 matrix, A minus lambda is equal to 0. Next we can do this. After that what you will do? No, immediately you can take this fellow become lambda cube minus S1 into lambda square plus S2 into lambda minus S3 is equal to 0. You can write. For every problem you can like this. Some textbooks maybe they will go alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. I am going S1, S2, S3. Correct? Huh?
Lambda equal to 1.
That you can forget about. I will come back. This is how to solve. I am telling. Now this, everyone got this equation. Now forget about this equation. I will write here.
Sir, lambda is equal to plus minus 3.
No, that I will do later. For solving equation, forget about this. Up to reaching this equation, you expanded, bombarding expansion, very big expansion, you attacked it. Correct? Now what I am telling, no need to do the expansion of determinant. I can go directly. So how I am telling? Suppose if they ask to find the eigenvalues means what? First A you can write characteristic equation A minus lambda is equal to 0 on diagonal element you can do minus lambda minus lambda minus lambda. This is equal to implies this you can do. Now who is S1 means in A, A11, A22, A33. This is S1. Now tell me what is my S1 value?
0.
Very good. Who is S2 means what? Minors of diagonal elements. What is the difference between minor and cofactor?
Minors are all positive and cofactors are negative because -1 raised to the
Wait,
position.
wait. All cofactors are negative. See, cofactors, how you will define? Cij is equal to minus 1 power I plus j into mij. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
From here I will get this, from this fellow I will get. Minor means what? I don't get. Actually this cofactor what will it start in the school level, what they will tell, start with plus, plus minus plus, start with minus, minus plus, minus, plus minus, all diagonal elements are plus, remaining are minus. Lot of things, lot of teachers they will do. But if you see deeply what is the formula means what? Cofactor, how can you will get minus 1 I plus j mij, that particular minor. How you will find minor? Minor of 2, how you will find out? Leave this row, this column. AD minus BC. Okay. But here what I am telling, M11 plus M22, M33. Diagonal element minors. Diagonal elements, if you write minors and cofactors, both are same. There is no different sound because always positive only. Am I correct or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please
So
explain.
could you repeat?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Wait. Listen. If I say I am telling diagonal elements of minors. If I say diagonal elements of minors or diagonal elements of cofactor, both are same. Because always positive only diagonal element. Correct? M11 means what? I minus 1 power 2, minus 1 power 4, minus 1 power 6.
Yes, sir.
So some textbooks maybe they will use C11, C22, C33. Don't confuse. So don't worry about the symbol. Sign plus or minus, always plus only.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Total output minus means we cannot do anything. While doing the problem AD minus BC, the total value minus means you have to do no. Correct? But some people may be telling C11, C22, C33. But actually this is M11, M22, M33. Now S3. Who is S3? Determinant of A. Now you see, you have done lot of work actually, expanded it to 3 by 3 matrix, then lot of things, lambda square, lambda cube, expansion. Now you can find slowly S1, S2, S3, come back and substitute it. Come on. What is my S2?
minus 13.
Hey, check it. What is M11, M22, M33 values also tell me? What is M11? Minus 3, minus 2. Correct? Minus
Minus
5.
5.
M22 is what? Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. Minus 6.
6, sir.
M3 is what? Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. 2
Minus
minus
2,
4.
sir. Minus 2.
So this is equal to what?
Minus 13.
Board, is it visible that corner? Okay. Now S3, tell me determinant of A.
Plus 12. Minus 12.
Don't make it lottery, sir. Tell me minus or plus, sir.
Minus 12.
Can I trust you? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, all of you check. I'm trusting him. See how nicely I got actually. Instead of doing bombastic big expression, slowly I'm coming. So this fellow is equal to immediately what will happen? Tell me. Lambda cube. Who is S1?
0.
0. S2 is what?
minus 13.
Minus 13. Already S3 here one formula in minus, but you can remember plus minus plus minus. S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3 I got. See S3 is minus 12, already minus is there, so plus. Now somebody got 6, 7, 8. Now we can say this is the correct answer. Now check again.
So could you move the phone down a little bit?
Yes?
Could you move the phone down a little bit? I can't see the bottom of the board.
Okay, I will write actually. At top I will write, then I will stop there. Up to here, okay? Up to this equation, okay? S1, S2 equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Maybe it's gone now, okay. We don't want to disturb now phone.
Sir,
Now-
can you please tell the S2 once more?
What?
The equation of S2 once more.
S2 is what? Minus of the diagonal elements. M11, M22, M33. M11 is what? Leave this column, this row. AD minus BC. Minus 3, minus 2. Then M22. The one element minor. Leave this column, minus 6. Then minus 3, minor. Leave this column, this row. AD minus BC. Correct? S1 is what? Sum of the diagonal elements, that is called trace. That is called trace. Any doubt? Am I confusing a lot?
No, sir.
Okay, are you happy, sir? Then come on. Once if you know S1, S2, S3, come back and substitute this fellow become what? Lambda cube. S1 becomes 0. S2 is what? Minus
Minus 13 lambda.
already minus S3. So minus plus. So this is the way of doing. You don't worry about, don't expand the big expression. Clear all of you? Now, to find eigenvalue, solve this equation. Now this is what? Cubic polynomial. Degree 3 means how many roots I will get?
3 roots.
Degree 4 means?
4
4
roots.
roots.
Degree 10 means?
10 roots.
N means?
N
number
roots.
of roots.
N roots. Correct? So here degree cubic polynomial, I will get for lambda 3 values guarantee I will get. It is real or complex, doesn't matter. Guarantee I will get the 3 roots, no doubt. Now solve these 3 roots, how you will do?
Trial and error method.
That is method of induction. I'm rubbing, sir. Copy, I copy all of you. Now put lambda is equal to 1. Put lambda is equal to 1 means what you will get?
0.
So, yes. If you put lambda is equal to 1 means what? The equation becomes 0. So lambda y is equal to 1 is 1 root. So that's whole equation. How can I write? Lambda minus 1 into something.
Yes, sir.
This something only problem for me.
Sir, we can divide it by lambda minus 1.
Or divide
The original
but
equation.
another method is there. In your lower standard, you studied remainder theorem, factor theorem. That is what is the method you will do. How you will do remainder? How you will find remainder? In 9th standard, 8th standard itself, you studied remainder theorem like this.
Yes.
Division multiplied by the quotient.
That is different. Quotient plus remainder by division. You are telling if you divide means for TDS. Without dividing, another division is there. Another division name is there. Remember, suppose I will write 1 here. 1 lambda square quotient 13.
0. That minus 13. Synthetic division.
Ah, very good. I need that term. This fellow is called what? Synthetic division. Correct or not? Good. Nice. So, first fellow always you can write below 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Minus 12 into 12 is what? Minus 12. If remainder 0 means what? This fellow is what? Factor. Correct or not? Remainder theorem studied or not?
Yes, sir.
This is called what? Synthetic division. All coefficients you can write. All coefficients you can write. Now, how can I write? Lambda minus 1 I can write. From third degree, 1 degree I pulled out. Remaining degree is what?
Quadratic.
Second degree. Third degree, 1 degree I pulled out. Actually.
Yes, a second degree.
Second degree. So this fellow how can I write actually?
Lambda square
Plus
lambda minus
Lambda minus 1.
Minus constant.
now my whole equation how can I write? Tell me.
lambda minus
Lambda
1
minus
into
1 into
lambda
This
lambda.
fellow
square
don't forget.
Lambda square.
Clear. Lambda square
Lambda
plus
square
lambda.
plus lambda
minus
minus
12 equal to 0.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can just take this fellow quadratic equation, then break it. How you will break?
So 4 and 3.
Lambda minus 3 into lambda plus 4.
Lambda
Minus 3
Lambda
into
square
lambda plus 4.
plus 4 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 12 because 1.
lambda minus 3.
Into lambda plus 4.
Lambda plus 4.
So this fellow is equal to what? Finally I will reach here. After breaking. Correct? Huh? Everything I can write as a linear factors. Now I can able to tell who is my lambda. Now what are the lambda values?
1,
3 and minus 4.
These all are what? Characteristic roots are this line are you able to see, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
sir.
Characteristic roots. CH means characteristic. Characteristic equation means just I am writing CH equation. Characteristic roots are eigenvalues. Eigenvector is different story. I am not talking about eigenvector. Just I have done only eigenvalues only. Somebody raised, sir, I'm actually camera is this side, my laptop is that side, my desktop backside camera is what you want? Kunala.
Yes, sir. So could you explain the division once again? I don't know this method.
Yes, okay. Then I can help you. Then speak out. Don't raise your hand because my system is in my another room. My mobile
All
is
right.
backside of the camera I'm using.
Fine,
Now,
sir.
This use trial and error method of induction, put lambda is equal to 1. If it is not equal to 0 means what? Put lambda is equal to -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. Where my become value 0, I can stop. Luckily I got lambda is equal to 1, I got the 0. So means what? This whole equation I can, for your understanding I written it. No need to write this step also. Lambda -1 into something I can write. To find something, what I will do, I will use synthetic division. Synthetic division means what? Take this equation, lambda cube coefficient 1. Here any lambda square is there?
No, sir. Couldn't understand. Could you repeat?
0 you can write. In mathematically, no means what? You can write 0. Then lambda coefficient constant. 4th degree means same thing you can do. 4th degree, 3rd degree, 2nd degree, 1st degree constant. 5th degree also same thing. Then already lambda is equal to 1 is 1 root I know. 1 you can write. Here below 0 you can write. Then 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Then 1 into 1 is what? 1 you can write. These two you can add. This value will get. Again these two you can multiply. This you can write. These two you can add. This you will get. These two you can multiply. You can. If you don't get 0 means what? This is not a factor.
Okay,
You
sir.
don't get 0.
Sir, why did you take lambda -1?
Hey, lambda is equal to 1 is a root factor, you know. Root, you know. That's why lambda -1 is what? I'm telling actually. My equation will change. This equation will change. Lambda -1 into 2nd degree I am writing. There is no connected here and here. To find the 2nd degree I am coming here. Correct? Lambda is equal to 1 means what? Root. Factor means how can you write? Lambda -1. Why you are telling me? See? Now you said lambda -3, lambda 4. But lambda value how you said, tell me? Why are you taking 3 and -4? Tell me. Lambda -3 means lambda is equal to what? Sir, correct or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You people said actually I am not telling. Sir, I will get lambda -3, lambda plus 4. Now what is the lambda value?
3.
3 minus 4.
Lambda plus 4 means lambda is equal to what you said?
Minus 4.
-4.
You said that not. The same way only. Lambda is equal to 1 means what? I am writing lambda -1. But in your understanding, I am telling lambda -1 into something I will get, I am telling. This also you forget about this. Now come to the synthetic division. Once if you get the synthetic division, because of 1, this is lambda -1. 1 is already 1 root. Because trial and error. This is I am writing lambda square plus lambda -1. Then break it.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Any problem? Ask, don't feel. Don't hesitate. Anything you can ask. If I know, I will tell you. If I don't know, again I will somewhere I will search and I will tell you.
Sir, in case in the place of synthetic division, we can just perform normal division too. That will give us.
That is tedious, sir. You cannot get and always don't do. This is better.
Yes, sir.
Because ordinary division somewhat headache.
Yes, it gets very lengthy.
All because this is only small expression you will get. Sometimes very big expression means what? Somewhat headache. You are telling like this, I will do like this.
No need, sir. No need.
Don't do. You're going like this. Okay, yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Come on, ask.
Sir, if I'm comfortable with doing the debt and expanding it without doing S1, S2, S3, can I proceed, sir? Or there is something like
you
scheme
can
of
proceed,
evaluation?
sir. You can proceed, no problem. Just
There
I
is
am
no
telling
scheme
this.
of evaluation like that, no, sir, in the
No,
examination.
this is a shortcut method.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are coming from where actually?
Andhra Pradesh,
Andhra Pradesh. Which area?
West Godavari, sir.
The name?
Shanmukha,
No. Native place.
Bhimavaram, sir.
Bhimavaram, very good. Okay. I'm giving ticket for you from here to Sattar. Bhimavaram, one AC ticket. Then at least one, suppose there is no flight ticket I'm giving. Then one ordinary ticket I'm giving. Which is you will choose for going Bhimavaram?
Flight, of course.
Flight. Because if you go my method, you will go by flight. If you go 3rd class means what? By before Vijayawada, they maybe throw you out also. You will reach somewhat fighting. Very good. Nice to see you from Bhimavaram. Actually, I am basically from Tadepalli. Next to 30 kilometers from you. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, in the synthetic division method, what happens if the final was not zero, sir?
No, once if it is satisfy only, go for synthetic division. No doubt actually, you have to get. See, this step it is not equal to 0 means what? You don't come here.
Yes, it's not a factor then.
Yeah.
No, sir. For the not there, sir. Where it
Some
says
people what, wait, listen. Some people what they will, they won't test here. They will come and test here. One they will put is 0, root they will say, don't do. First you can see trial and error method here. Then only can come to this. I have seen so many students what this step itself they will start. Suppose if they take 2 means what you don't get 0. Then again take another value. Like this they will try. Don't do. First you can try here. If you are satisfied, you will get 0. The equation satisfied means you can say that fellow is a root. Taking that fellow you can attack.
okay, sir.
Okay. If you don't get the 0 means don't go that step. Once if you get the 0 only you can go. Next.
Sir, can you please tell me the second step of synthetic division?
Which second step?
Second step, like that 0, 1, 1 and minus 12, that one.
Oh, this acha. See, I am writing coefficient, lambda coefficient 1. This is what, there is no lambda square 0. Then lambda minus 13, 12. Then the first element below always you can write 0. First element always, listen, carefully you can see. First element you can 0. 1 plus 0 is how much?
1.
1. Then 1 in this element multiply with this fellow. 1 into 1 is what?
1.
0 plus 1 is how much?
1.
So take this 1 into this you can multiply again. 1 into 1 is what?
1.
1. Add these two. Minus 9
Minus
into
12.
1. Minus 12 into 1 is what? Always you can
Minus
multiply
12.
this.
Minus 12.
Stop. But
Okay, sir.
any problem?
No, sir.
Wait, I'll come. 2 minutes wait. I'll take attendance. Okay, your number starting from 217, huh? Acha, 217. On your video and give that means 217.
Present, sir.
On your video, I want to see your face. Good. When they call, you can odd enough. 218. 18.
Present, sir.
When you give that, when you're giving at least that time, you can on. 19. Where are you? 19. 19. 20.
Sir, present, sir.
Where are you?
Sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
Very good. 23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 25.
Yes,
Singh. Manar Singh. Very good. Nice.
Sir,
26.
34.
Present, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
Okay. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
217. What do you want? 247 is very happy. Astitva God. Where I am standing? 2.
Sir,
29.
I am just happy because you are the first
Present,
teacher
sir.
who is teaching us right now.
Right.
Present, sir.
229.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33. 33 not there. 34. 34 left.
Present.
Okay. 35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
38. Where are you? Oh, acha.
Sir,
39.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 39. Oh, show your face here. I want to see.
Yes, sir.
Nice. 40.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Good. Jatin, first one. 41.
Present, sir.
Very good. Mohit Jairam. 42. 42. 43.
Present, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
Very good. Going. 44. 44 given. 45.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 45. Kunal Chopra. Very
Yes, sir.
good. 46. 46. 47.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 47. Stithudar. 48.
Present, sir.
49. 49. 49. 50. 51.
Present, sir.
52. 53.
Present, sir.
54.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 54. Acha. Venkati Cheduri. Nice. 55.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Varun Kumar Kotta. What is your number? 50? Kotta?
255, sir.
56. Where are you? Sneha Patnaik. Patnaik. 57. 57. 58.
Present, sir.
Baladugula. 59.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? 59. Sweta Suresh. 60.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 60.
Present, sir.
Okay. 61.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Kavya Utpuri.
Yes, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Yuktamukhi
Rangineni.
Rangineni. What is your number?
62, sir.
Very good. 63.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Rohat Pullaipar. Pulli Para. Para. 64.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Ratnashekara McKenna.
Sir, I think my video can't be
Okay,
visible,
at least
sir.
for next class I want to see your face. Okay. What is your number?
264, sir.
64. 65.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 65. What is your name, sir?
Sabarish Dayal.
Sabarish there. What is your number? 60?
65, sir.
66.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Rajneesh J.
Yes, sir.
Good. 67. 67. 68.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 68. Sanjay Sarda. 69.
Present, sir.
Where are you?
Shashank.
Acha, acha. 70.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Ankit B. Kumar. Very good. 71. 71. Where are you? Name?
Sir, Yashwardhan.
Yashwardhan Gira. Okay. Your number 71, na? 70, yeah?
Yes, sir.
71.
Yes, sir.
72.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 72.
Sir.
Deva Malia
Malia
Saha.
Saha.
Okay. Acha. 73.
Present, sir.
Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Devrana. 74.
Present, sir.
Where are you?
Yes.
Manish Manos.
Manisha,
75. 75. 75. 76.
sir. Sir, 75 present.
Where are you?
Sir, Vraj.
Acha. 76.
Present, sir. Shreya.
77.
Present, sir.
Karshina Srivatsava. 78.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 78. Aditya Naidu Bandaru. Oh, super. 79. 79. I think up to 76, the last number is what?
89, sir.
89. 79. The attendance is very, very important. But don't attend for the classes attendance also. Inter classes you can attend for classes only. Okay. 80.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 80.
Sir. Sorry.
Okay. 81.
Present, sir.
Suhas Ganga. Right. 82.
Present.
Where are you? Abhinav. 83.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 83. Sai.
Sai Ganesh.
Sai Batam. Okay. 84.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Harish Ji. Nice. 85.
Present, sir.
Where are you? 85. Ananda Krishna V. Okay. 86.
Present, sir.
Where are you?
Sartha Kaushal.
Sharpa. Very good. 87.
Present, sir.
Where are you? Nayal Kali. That's okay. 88.
Present, sir.
Tanmay Gupta. 89. 89. So options are 19, 33, 42, 46, 50, 51, 52, 57, 67, 79, 89.
Sir, 51 present, sir.
50?
1.
1? No, 51. No. 19, 33, 42, 46, 50, 52, 57, 67, 79, 89.
Sir, 50 is present.
Sir,
Sir, 50
50
is
is present.
52 is present, sir.
50 is there. Next.
Sir, 52 is also present, sir.
52 strike. Okay. Next. But strength is there. Full strength is there. But attendance not given. I think so. 19 is there. 33, 42, 46, 52, 57, 67, 79, 89. Okay, sir. Okay, bye. Meet you next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
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 Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.